Namaskar students, in this lecture we will discuss about interpolation. What is interpolation and why do we require to read this concept of interpolation? The question is, suppose as we are aware that nowadays a global pandemic COVID-19 is going on, and because of that all are being affected. So suppose we have collected some of the data related to COVID-19. So T represents the time in week, suppose, and D is the number of deaths due to COVID-19. So here this data at week 0 it is 0, and week 1 the number of death in a particular locality is D1, and week 2 D2, and so on. Now the question is, we have to find out the number of deaths due to this pandemic after the elapse of suppose 1.5 week, or after the elapse of 3.5 week, or after the elapse of 5th week. So this is the problem. It means that we are given this data, and using this data only our aim is to find the value of the number of deaths for some value which is lying in between the given value of t, but exact value is not given. Or there are two possibilities. The required values may lie in between, in the intermediate of these values, or if we require at 5, it may lie outside the given data. So how we can do this? So this is the problem. One way is that if we can identify some of the function which can reflect this data, then we can put on the argument as t is equal to 1/2 and we can find out. But this is not an easy task. So we have to devise a numerical technique. So this interpolation is a numerical method, is a numerical technique which is capable of answering this kind of problem. So let us discuss this concept of interpolation in detail. So suppose we are going to assume some of the symbols. Suppose we have x as the independent variable and f the corresponding value of the function. So suppose we have the value x naught, at x naught we have f naught, at x1 f1, at x2 it is f2, and dot 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 at xn we have the value fm. So here these xi's are the distinct value of independent variable, and fi are the corresponding value of some function, But remember that this is only the data. So the problem is to find out the approximate value of the function f at some point or some value of x which is not listed among the given values, of x. I think the problem is clear. We have to find out the approximate value of f for some value of xi which is not listed over here. So this is the problem. Or other way how we can say that, we have to determine a function g that in some sense approximate this data. It means that if we are able to identify some function which is reflecting this data, then for any intermediate value or any value which is lying outside, we can substitute that into the function and we can approximate the value of function. So we will discuss now the interpolation in detail. So interpolation is a technique of estimating the value of a function for any intermediate value of independent variable. And now what is this extrapolation? The process of computing the value of the function outside the given range is called extrapolation. But in this lecture we will discuss the process of interpolation only. Now in this interpolation, the function g which we are going to determine, which will reflect this data, we have to determine the function in such a way that the error means if we want to find g at some xi, so it should be equal to fi. It should be equal to fi, and this should be true for all I equal to 0 1 2 dot 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 n, 0 1 2 dot 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 n. So in this interpolation, the errors are somewhat some error will be there, but we try to minimize the error, and that error are distributed in a local fashion. We say that interpolation treats the error in local fashion. That is, we have to identify the function g such that if we find g at xi, it should be equal to fi for all this. So if this is satisfied, we say that this function corresponds to this given data. Now there are many merits of this interpolation. So this interpolation is a major tool for the development of many other numerical techniques also, and by this some new data, some functions are computed at new data points, and using this interpolation, there is one more benefit of this method is that using this interpolation, a complicated function may be approximated by simple functions. Suppose you have the formula for a given function for a given data which is very much complicated, very much cumbersome to evaluate. So what we can do that using few data points from the original function, we can use interpolation to produce some simpler functions which is fairly close to the original function. So this resulting what we will get in this, this will simplify the function, but some error will be there because we have not considered all the data points. We have considered few data points and interpolated. So to have an idea about that, in that case we can get approximate result. But if we are not using this method, then the function may be so complicated that we are not able to analyze that. So in the situation when we are not able to analyze, it is better that we should get some approximate value. Now we next proceeding on to the types of interpolation. Next is the types of interpolation. So there are types of interpolation. There are many types of interpolation depending on the class of function from which we are going to approximate the given data. So it can be a polynomial interpolation. Polynomial interpolation. It can be piecewise polynomial. Piecewise polynomial. This is also called spline interpolation. It can be rational interpolation. It can be trigonometric, or it can be exponential also. It can be exponential also. So these are various types of interpolation in which we can approximate the given data in terms of a function, so that we can find out the value of function at any value which is lying intermediate to the value of independent variable which is given. So this polynomial function is the most popular one. Because why this is most popular one? Because polynomial is easy to evaluate, it can be differentiated and integrated also. So this is the most popular one. Otherwise also these are also very important interpolations, but we will focus over here the polynomial interpolation in detail. Thank you.